Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder sound settings into a Motorola Moto G42. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, scroll down, find this button in this block, then press and hold like this and drag to top. Now we add this button here, tap back for save, and now press this button. We got message start recording. While recording, Android system can capture any sensitive. So okay, tap start, and before starting, we got this panel screen record. So and here we got our sound settings. So microphone icon. So now it's turn off this option. If we tap one more time, we can customize, for example, microphone, system sound, microphone and system sound on mute. For example, I wanna only system sound, choose this option and tap to start your screen record. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.